Hello and welcome to the Big Tech Ltd official channel. And in today's video, I'll show you how to receive payments on Cashapp. First, I'll purchase a premium, then proceed to create a Cashapp account. However, I won't be covering the account creation process today, as I've already explained it in a previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, check the description. I've added the link for your convenience. If you're interested in a CA account, feel free to contact us on Telegram. Thank you for watching.